East lines up there. There. Oh, we got one on here. Oh my gosh, doubled up. Holy cow, doubled up. Which one am I gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna fish with this one first. Leave that one on there. Oh my gosh. Oh, is this one gone? Yeah, that one's gone. Okay, so this is a Scotty rod holder, gearhead. You just take off the cradle with the Rex Sticks arm on there. You don't need to get new rod holders. Now you've got these great rod holders that are made for fly fishing so much faster. This one is a Yak Attack rod holder with the Rexfly arm on there. So we make this conversion kit so you can switch out the cradles, Scotty, all your big Bass Pro Cabela's, all your big rod holders. This little conversion kit will work great. Oh, oh my gosh! Oh, too big for the net! Oh man, that is a 22-inch fish. Leave from there. Put this there so I don't lose a rod. Flies out. Got there. 10. 12. Get 21. Holy cow, that's a fatty. Check out this fatty. Whoa! That's a fish, baby.